Here we learn reciprocals of trigonometric ratios, okay, or reciprocal relation. Reciprocal means inverse. Okay, so we know that from trigonometric ratio, 6 ratios. Let's start from 1. Sine A equal to P by H. Now, if you find its inverse or reciprocal of sine or P by H, inverse means now uh, when P comes down, okay, so there will be 1 will be left. H is already in denominator. Okay, now P will be in the denominator of H, or this P is going down now. That's why from here down. So this is now inverse of this P by H, or when you invert this, okay, when you invert this P by H, then P goes down, H will be up. Okay, or you can see now, imagine this is pen. Okay, so when this head goes down, okay, so its foot will be up. Similarly, P goes down, H will be up, but in a numerator, so denominator. And from trigonometric ratio, we know that this is 1 is divided by H by P. Trigonometric ratio, what is H by P? H by P is here now, cosec. Okay, H by P means cosec. So here, okay, so in terms of H by P, we can write down cosec A, or sine A is equal to the inverse of cosec A. Clear? I will show here now. Therefore, sine A means what? This is inverse of cosec A. Okay, or when you read from other side, same relation you can write in this way also. Or if you want to find the inverse of cosec, then this will be inverse of sine. Okay, these two are same. So this type of relation is known as reciprocal relation or reciprocal of trigonometric ratio. Okay, therefore I will write now here now all the remaining reciprocal. So first was this is inverse of cosec A. Okay, this is sine A means inverse of cosec A. Or when you want to find the inverse of cosec, then you can write down. It goes down, this will be up. So inverse of sine A. Okay. Now no need to find now inverse of cosec A, because inverse of cosec is inverse of sine A. And similarly number 2, okay, inverse of cos. So this gives 1 by sec. Okay, cos A is equal to inverse of sec. Or when you find the inverse of sec, then this becomes inverse of cos. Okay, these two are related to each other inversely. And finally, number 3, okay, tan A. A is angle. Okay, this is inverse of cot A. Now all the ratios are here now. 1, 2, 3, and its inverse are 1, 2, 3. Okay, so these relations are called reciprocal relations or reciprocal of trigonometric ratio. These are very important. Okay. Now remaining 3 also will be the same. Now you can find inverse of this cosec A, sec A, cot A. Just you have to go his back side. Clear? Or if you want to see all this, you can write down the same thing now. From 1, cosec A will be 1 by sine A, and sec 5. If you want to find sec A, its inverse will be 1 by cos. And when you want to find number 6, cot A will be inverse of 1 by tan, or inverse of tan. It means now if you know this first 3, so other will be the same, just you have to change the side. Okay, one goes up, other goes down. You have to remember this 3. Now remaining 3 will be the same. Okay, only the position will be interchanged.